So every shot, including this one you're about to see, has been filmed on the new iPhone 12 mini in Dolby Vision. So to view this footage properly, you will need a 4K HDR TV. So make sure you've got one of those, or an iPhone or an iPad will work too. I'm also going to re-edit this same footage and put it on an SDR timeline. So have a check in the description if you want to see what this 10-bit footage looks like if you take it into a normal timeline for people who do not have HDR TVs. Thanks for watching. The review will be coming very soon, so keep a lookout on the channel for that. But anyway, let's take a look at this footage. There you go, they were just a few shots from the iPhone 12 mini. What did you think of those? Let me know in the comments section below. And remember to check out the channel next week, because I'll have the full review of the iPhone 12 mini along with some more cinematic footage. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.